How can a multimeter be used to detect hull corrosion? Have you ever wondered how to keep your boat's hull safe from corrosion? One effective way is by using a multimeter. This handy tool can help you spot potential corrosion issues before they become serious problems. Let's break down how you can use a multimeter to detect hull corrosion, especially during boat storage and winterization. First, it is essential to understand what hull corrosion is. This type of corrosion often happens due to electrochemical reactions between different metals in water, particularly salt water. There are two main types: galvanic corrosion and stray current corrosion. Galvanic corrosion occurs when dissimilar metals are electrically connected, leading to corrosion due to voltage differences. Stray current corrosion happens from unintended electrical currents passing through the hull or underwater metals. Now, let's get into how you can use a multimeter for detection. Start by measuring voltage differences, which indicate corrosion potential. Set your multimeter to measure direct current voltage, ideally in millivolts for better sensitivity. You will need a corrosion reference electrode, like a silver chloride electrode, submerged in water near the hull. Connect the positive lead of the multimeter to the metal part of the hull, ensuring the surface is clean for accurate contact. The negative lead should connect to the reference electrode in the water, making sure it does not touch the hull. When you read the voltage, values around -0.8 to -1.0 volts usually indicate effective cathodic protection, such as from zinc anodes. If the readings are less negative or positive, it may suggest insufficient protection or active corrosion. If your boat has a bonded underwater metal system, test various metals individually to check for consistent readings. Poor bonding can lead to localized corrosion. Next, let's test for stray currents. Set the multimeter to measure current, starting at the highest range. Temporarily disconnect the shore power ground wire or isolate it based on your boat's electrical setup. Connect the multimeter in series between the alternating current ground and the boat's direct current ground connection. Lower the current range until you see a clear reading. If you detect alternating current or direct current flow, it indicates stray currents that can speed up corrosion on the hull and underwater metals. Lastly, assess the bonding system and anode effectiveness. Use the multimeter to check resistance and continuity between bonded underwater metals and the hull. Measure voltage differences between anodes and hull metals. A proper voltage difference shows that the anodes are protecting the hull effectively. If the readings show weak or no voltage difference, it may indicate depleted anodes or poor bonding, increasing the risk of corrosion. When performing these tests, make sure the boat is afloat in calm water, shore power is unplugged, and no onboard electrical devices are running. Clean the test points on the hull with a non-abrasive pad for reliable electrical contact. Regular testing helps monitor the condition of sacrificial anodes and the effectiveness of corrosion prevention measures during boat storage or winterization. By using a multimeter, you can effectively detect hull corrosion and take necessary actions to protect your boat. This proactive approach ensures your vessel remains in top condition, ready for your next adventure on the water.